What could you do to help yourself feel not scared?
Hide under a bush.
No, Gulliver, that is not a good idea.
No?
Maybe you could pretend to be brave.
I could pretend to be a pirate. Rawr!
Yeah, pirate. That's a great idea. We could all pretend to be pirates. We could be the Jolly Roger 3. Arr!
We are the crew of the Jolly Roger 3, and we sail across the wildest seas. If you see us, you better run and hide. You'll be safe if you're locked inside.
We sail the seas from coast to coast, from port to port. We're fear the most. If you come near us, we're really scary. Our body odor stinks and we're really hairy.
We are the crew of the Jolly Roger 3, and we sail across the wildest seas. If you see us, you better run and hide. You'll be safe if you're locked inside.
Well, shiver me timbers, it's time to go. We're going to sling a hook and heave-ho. We're going to fill our coffers full of loot. Give it to me now or you'll feel my boot. Ah!
We are the crew of the Jolly Roger 3, and we sail across the wildest seas. If you see us, you better run and hide. You'll be safe if you're locked inside.
Sometimes when it gets quite rough, I feel a bit sick and I've had enough. Then I'm told we haven't left the port and that my pirate credentials fall well short. Oh, sorry.
We are the crew of the Jolly Roger 3, and we sail across the wildest seas. If you see us, you better run and hide. You'll be safe if you're locked inside.
I wish that I had been a baker, baking bread full of flavour and settled down in a pretty village. Instead, I have to plunder and pillage.
Was fun. Do you feel better now, Gully?
Oh, I feel very brave. I'm not afraid of that old ghost giant anymore.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.